Konkose yaba. Ọ̀kyerẹ́ mo sẹ́ minister ní minister nkwa na orí ọ̀hún ansowa kí ọ̀ ní ẹ̀fẹ́ ní Fantana náà ẹ̀yìn abáyé yìí sika àwọn bá music industry mo bẹ́ yẹ ẹ̀dí ẹni ẹ̀yìn sika asoa. Okay, you know, you go straight into and then come concern. Now, I hear from China. Let me say most at times, you know, say me show yeah. A lot of you no need your home. Why? Because of the show's reals. So no, you have to a boss at the above from 2 level. As a show no, who fear now enjoy. Now we'll share one of those episodes. SCS will fear. But way no. Some more information about entertainers in Ghana, Africa, and beyond. So we hear from China. Now say you can show we bre. Bre and Sana. Eba Ghana's #1 television channel, Adum TV. Now you sound so streaming. Our China's Avenue, YouTube. Now you know more Amsterdam, Germany, Italy, Africa, and beyond. And also Shebi. Na go on a streaming platform international no na just out say na made in China or don't for comfort or kofa ba ye what dem go for honsem eba with positivity, entertainment, and then controversialness. As a show we know ye papa still na ye jinemu from Scado TV straight to China's Avenue. You love it, and I also love to bring it to you in the comfort of your home. And then Arrow. How's it loud? Answer. Brah, what's up? I say hi. Hi. Okay. Yenya Muslim for di Ramadan. Inti enedie. Senya munimu no. Me no me kati across. Baby yanka ya me nkoye. Ye friend me Ali Mubarak Idrisu. Now a character we play here on Tales of High School. Nice One Entertainment. Omo deba ya omo introduce me. Now me we see me no Muslim phone na happy Ramadan. Now my teacher must say Allah Israel. Na coronavirus you free so. Na the day na we have no. Yen problem di mu ode. Now yen go on to entertainment. Yen your ban na mwa school preference. Girls' preference our Ghana entertainment industry. Muna watching or call TV3 Africa. ISC. So call Manchester United. Go try some fake pictures. And my footage of Bibe Muno. I Pamo no. See our bar GH1 Media, a manager of TV and programs. Now the see I Swaswa. Girl no. And I ban the ex-husband. I friend is was the boy. Mr. Richard Brown. Mr. Richard is watching the boy. See all the see why I can say. Send your buyer Granaba Namwa, you fear Busianumu. Now, one the boy and about your own boy in the dark. Now, boy, and some one time, Tiano. They see how you obey on the baton or obey. They see how bra at a shop or see a friend shop in the grass, shop by Zara. Boutique beside our ye in your man as a fashion for men and women, and our brand no what on. Now, boy, Papa no, sorry, the shop now I know. A man shred the fashion sense. And in your ma, Eja, Obra, one of the so, Obesimia shred Ghana, as a Zinel Zoo, air fashion, Sama Mumun, air fashion, Mulcha Budon, air fashion, or also what's ra, Yeba Merman Mua, or also you be a Obesimia fashion expose, every LGG, Amanaye. Ye can't fashion or Ghana, how we say ya. We Sako the fashion, and minimum, Boyade. Mr. Drew. The fashion sense is different. Guy we Twitch and so yard a mommy with fashion. Ye remember if you want more, what shall? And I made in China, which is some fashion no. I say easy. Elegant Gumoji, or also the Missy on more fashion no. There. And also there. Now, Osipo, and Abana Moni, Ekunu, our giant. They see also person be the fashion sense in the much ready. What? It's all bra. One was sorry now. No, I said skirts. Was a lower sinner, was a blouse, and yakasa, was a jumper. Oh, this say, you was school. Silence and I are shown now, dear sir or madam, no. Hey, Richard Brown. What's that? I was school out on letter. I said, dear sir or madam, because only Nipana or the foul letter is just. Yeah, yes, sir. Richard Brown. Richard Brown is the CEO of dear sir or madam because or the boom. But you gave it to me. Or the boom. Or my own. Say ne obas bema what's an obas about or my own now and go for peanuts that say guy no I say oh yeah breaking into the industry on the fashion sense but I know you're one asem yemfa obinim any honorable Kennedy a Japan and so some and this will enter one time now honorable Kennedy Japan I can send bia eya patcho say one Only Mobinimun Semu, the depth of Obinimun Sem. Now, young Belma Obinim, after say or say passport office, I will not on them. I already open our passports. Hey, you need 3 days, you need 1 week, and no one is about sorry. Now, on the account 1 hour time, we need to show or passports. No, I process it through princess. I process it. Passport no you was secretary, you were passport officer, passport denominator, sign line. Hey, obinim ni na onu shoe mu. Obinim do was yadi. Open passport and one say what you di. Passport no, obinim fu shoe mu e dia man. Now, honorable Kennedy Japan say apart from say obinim yi passport of shoe mu no, obinim was also yi nyema one passport. Osi obinimu, yeah, can demonstrator of sexual abuse and then obinimu. 18 years for now, slap, obinimu no makoba. Honorable Kennedy Japan come here at say, obinimu yiri from obinimu to you can put fake. Yeah, see Florence obinimu will swear or swap a here, a go and see company. You need to be free, and obinimu yiri to buy on you know what's there. Make no obinimu dear, that's pie. Are they hey? Yeah, good. Oh, you know, we can open you more. Hey, Shane Hannah, Mr. Shane Hammer. Now, go for crown poor casse. Florence opening my brooch, I was see a crown pono. One man said that I have David. I'm a Florence, I worry over for our brochure, and no see no only gun as a Ciano. Florence in the iron throw. And yet, now, at so name. At 207 I can know to swear Florence. How do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel? Now, yeah, can you about a fierce was nega crown papa? I believe in some, and some more. A fierce one, and so I can some 1 or 2 be in the whole situation. A fierce was nega. A seven can come and some more. Sometimes a fear or dog can come on us like, nay, yeah, no crack. Okay, say, if you are doing Canada, say, Africa 4 years. Yen to me boom, and ya the pada, no, say, ye boom, oh, I also pray. Say, ye boom, I pull him down the air, a baby. A sentence in America, same way, same name we say. Can you upon near Pias was nigga dear, Naka and Abraham, come on your barco. Eh, dear, they don't see eye to eye. But in this situation, I can say, Obinimu Yobia, a fierce one in Penasem. Start the same Obinimu to Yobia, honorable Kennedy upon what's in you going to wolf. Now, I said, there are 2 common factors in this picture are a fear and the honorable. They have all come together to manipulate the king Obinim, the bleaching master. And I'm going to so Obinim Kalano, I change it. Obinim first, Nana Kalani to say. There's no Obinim glass or I say like chocolate kakra. No, I say me. But it's here that Obinim Obinim that are boy in the competition. Van Vick Gassa Obinim to see me near Mrs. Mokala. prophet and the angel wawa obini mu de hair and now we nwa what now we kura otumi ya point ye krama ye odwan angel na ase laben zemni bo ha kakra da bo kakra say like who said you can't say memory see na honorable Kenya Japan waka sem bebre wayi ma kran po asebe obini mu eniyama kompemu da na obini mu tutu hu nsawam amasa man say go to Accra no oba wayi videos assault so a obini mu ne mada mpemu a wo mu ti paape edi ni die ni mu odene amayati ase ehu ani ni ayase na me say hey honorable ene ba feel an kukume Avec vous qui m'aime. On a pas bon, fait vous qui m'aime. C'est si ayasi azo to kre ba. Gasmila abe yini se me fili musta sa kwa de krampo no. We ni nyina no. That's the next video no. Ye the horror me ba. Bas, mamen kai Ghana coronavirus. Yeah, how do you call it? Yeah, statistics ni mu no. Me share ye na Monday. And it is there. Aro, who need it? Tie mo na yem fire. And then 27th April 2020. Now, and then me know can say, yenam 1040. That was last week. Say, yeah, you're 1,550. You see, I will see now. Money. I love you, great. Yeah, 1,550. And now, still counting. Say we are just hoping say enko na nimu biem na cases no ya say enu ti no dem ba make am see do say ya cases no increase no ya see release here cases in now I think 94 and you see a lockdown you see I 1,450 I have 1,550 and you see here. The irony is something else. No, Ceciano, no more schools, no more public gatherings. Now your nose masks, any face masks, no. You see, I have compulsory. Cecia, I was say, oh, go home, what they say. Anywhere you are going, no. I was say, nose masks and our face masks. Now, face masks, you have kata no pay. You have kata everything to pay. No about someone with gloves and hand sanitizers. What kai so well with soap and running water. Not the other dear fellow. Yan swab one. Now wash it. Send your beya coronavirus no. Who is the winya? Na emma ukrum. Crackra, nickra. No, apart from extensional lockdown, extensional open on the ban. No, you see, I might 2 weeks. I'll bet Ghana, but your Ghana, you might 2 weeks at the account. Me, no, you see, I see a BA 2 weeks at the account, but won't to me any public gathering, bearer of any sort. Now, no coronavirus extraordinary because I'm saying your coronavirus in Budemu. It's on day in day out, about the coronavirus, you know. Pinamite Cosmetics, a skincare brand. Your boy home modern say, so when you and a pimples, I am with Nancy, a coronavirus, I will fear you. I said, pimples, you need to see how to say. By my other Pinamite face soap, by a china maybe you will say, all out. Not a call. Pinamite, your boy home modern say, or pimples, or acne. When I'm on your fat, Abia, you may be going with some Munamania. Pinamite Cosmetics, your shower gel, your face cream, and your skincare day. Nina Kai. Say Pinamite Cosmetics is on the go. I have wow. I'm on Hunam. I have fit. I had the oh dear. Here your birthday from China. Then you have my a year calibus and so it in the birthday over the weekend. Yeah, Tiano. ato no happy birthday will show you so yeah man no happy birthday Calibos I mean sure now on to no me when you on the comedy aspect no man go any dodo now say granamit to say or yes some international projects as a Calibos ne tour no wo ye okay some way oh bibi the gods must be crazy now as almost say no fontemu bi ana asem said momoto na honam na on kata so no Calibos so akwa emu bibi a wayi sakora na ne to honpo agu hono mu a eno so ye hope say e be big now for Netflix HBO now e ejina Calibos so waye a household name in the world now next year na ma crown there no kai say every day what the video never to Adom TV Tuesdays yeah ba 11:45 Wednesdays 10 o'clock now China's Avenue on YouTube and also no you can go there new more the year ma there fe na made in China on YouTube and also no yeah they are acting things no e be go on mo na say grandpa no me team I say on person me dey more people eba mu na act na efe it also wo Ghana Accra Kumasi baby I in Ghana no over to me I reach out on our pages at here it's from China now we DM me I can the person yeah at the wow but can you say president in release the ban of public gatherings you know obia Asia you see obia answer ni fie na mo so mo boas mo ho ban dear fair aha here it's from China na ene ye ni in debate I director in debate na etwa you show no fefe na eto China's Avenue ba Adom TV ye supporters from London the creator e support say ye so yasene e ma ye de ba ye de fe de mudi ye de obumpa otafu japete kumanka obi anka na beto de na de na osi ne ho sinkete na ho ofe every pina my cosmetics na abe ebedwa e de konkonsan ne ba ana any entertainment news eba na China me am kaya that's a uti baby dia na also dey who hashtag God day we day Macau Japon